In this video, we're going to endeavor to show you how we make flags. I think you'll enjoy it. It's Randy is my graphic designer, and she'll talk to how she comes up with stuff and what she does to create it, and she also sews. Very talented girl. We also made a video last week about making sound dampening panels, so check that out right up there. Don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. We really appreciate it.
Hi, my name is Randy Donzacker. I'm a graphic designer, and my education background is at Red Deer College as a traditional artist. I've been there for 2 years, and I also have a degree in graphic design at St. University. So, funny story. I mentioned that I was into cosplay, and Rick found out. And he asked me, he's like, who sews your costumes? And I'm like, I make them. So we had flags in storage, and I wanted to see what they were all about. So I reverse engineered them, and then I figured out how to sew them.
This is the flag that we chose. And this is the template that we used. Is about a 7-foot flag. And then I'm gonna mirror image it. Over on the side is the logo and the truck accessories information. We want to keep the flag simple and clean because, again, our customer drives by and they only see it in a few seconds. Just placing in the artwork just to make sure that it's not going to get cut off. So I gotta keep it in between the dash marks, and the same goes for the text. We are making it mirror image, so it helps with the printer.
Once the graphic's created, it's off to the printer, then transferred to the calendar machine. There we add the material, and away it goes. The Royal Sovereign calendar machine creates a horrendous volume of heat and smoke. It's actually very dangerous around your hands. I burn myself on it regularly. I think I've said that before. We use a huge venting system to exhaust out the heat and the smoke from the area, and we've got a really good setup for that. Plus makeup, push the air back in and keep the exhaust air in the room that it's designed for. Take that from the table. My goal is to one day have a CNC drag knife cutter with a conveyor belt. I know where there's one right now, and I'm just hoping that I can one day get it. But right now, Randy's just using scissors, and that seems to work fine for the volume that we're doing. And if we need to, we can add more labor. We've got 3 commercial sewing machines downstairs that Randy uses to make the flags. They're way overkill for what we're doing with the flag material because it's so thin and easy to sew, but they work great and they're fast, and it's a good system to have. Our goals are to go into custom clothing, leggings, hoodies, that sort of thing, and the equipment will definitely be able to stand the test of time in that industry. It took Randy a couple of tries to learn basically the tricks and traps of how to do this, and then after that she basically is a pro. We do them on a regular basis, so she gets a lot of practice.